Man, it's nice to revamp your hair. Like this is my old wig. I've had it for like 3 years now, and I just revamped it. See how it's shaking. See how it is shaking. I never knew that this was like correct human hair because I bought it for 7,000 naira. That was back in like 2019. Finally, I'll be revamping my hair. So yeah. Oh. Hello, gorgeous. Welcome to my channel. My name is Mbbah-Offor. So today I'll be taking you on how I revamped my short human hair wig, I think. So I want you guys to sit tight and watch and learn, or just watch for satisfaction purposes, because hair videos satisfy me. So here I'm showing you how stiff the hair is. There is no movement to the hair. I've had this hair for 3.5 years. I got it in September 2018, and I've not revamped it since then. So yeah, that's so bad of me. I got it for 7,000 naira. That is not like $15. Well, it is half closure. In Nigeria, you sell half closure. You can actually take full closure, 4x4 closure, cut in the middle, and it gives you half closure. Yeah. So as you can see here, I'm brushing through the hair, especially the nape part of the hair. You want to make sure that there are no tangles in the hair. Then I'm putting my shampoo in. Then I will go in with my hot water next, and then do my best to dilute it so as to the extent where my hand won't hurt me when I dip my hand into the water. You want it to be slightly hot, but not too hot. Yeah, and then I've noticed that hot water actually gets out more dirt from the hair than cold water. And my bad, like, I'm ashamed right now. I have been wearing this hair for 3 months or thereabout, and I wore it during Hamatan season, which is a season in Nigeria where the breeze carries dust too much. So everything just gets dusty during that time. So my hair was so dirty. I had to wash it 2 times. And then please don't do that which you saw me doing now. I was washing the closure like I was washing a clothes. Don't do that. I think that was what ripped it a little bit. You want to just rub your hand against the closure net from beneath, from under, or you can use a soft toothbrush if you have anything that is clogged on the net. So this is me washing it the second time. Then I'll rinse it, squeeze it, pat dry a little bit so that I won't be dripping water everywhere, because for sure I'm not going to leave it in the bathroom. I don't know why. Well, my shampoo was like almost done this day, and I just couldn't climb upstairs to go and get the new one I got. Sorry for that. In case. So now the next step is for you to take your conditioner, any conditioner you have, just let it be a good one, and go through the hair, coat the hair evenly and generously. So I'm using Truth by Tasala conditioner. It's a Nigerian brand. This is my first time actually using their product, so we're gonna see about that. So yeah, their consistency is light, unlike conditioners I've used in the past. I was trying my best to coat the hair very well, and later on I'll take my brush and go through it to make sure that the strands are evenly coated. Please like this video if you have come this far. Thanks. You also want to brush to make sure you detangle the hair thoroughly. And yeah, that's like basically all for here. So this is me taking it out of my mannequin head, removing the pins, and then all of a sudden the one at the back just wanted to frustrate me. It got tangled up in the hair. Wow, I was like, what the hell is going on right now? As you can see, I'm there struggling, but yeah, I just had to remove the wig band from beneath the cap and then see what I was doing. So yeah, I've gotten the T-pin out. Okay, yeah, I had to use scissors to cut it out. So this is what the hair is looking like. It is like together because of the conditioner. I'm using this plastic here to wrap the hair so that the heat from the plastic will help the conditioner work its way through the strands of the hair very well. So you want to make sure you don't use the paint side to avoid transfer of paints on your wig. So now here I left it for after tying it up, I later doubled the plastic bag and left it for over a day, 24 hours. You don't have to leave your own for that long. I just wanted to so I brushed it to detangle, and then as you can see, the hair was already so soft. It was shining, it was silky. Oh god, like I was loving it. I was so happy. I was so happy here, I must say. You want to use your hand to work your hands through the hair till you've gotten all the conditioner out. I was actually using the brush. Anyone, make sure you keep on rinsing till your water is no longer cloudy, till your water is clear, like clean water that nothing entered. Yeah, so that's what I kept on doing till I was sure that no conditioner is there. You want to make sure nothing is there. It's not good to leave conditioners in hair, not at all. Except if it's your leave-in conditioner, fine. So when I was done rinsing it, I squeezed it properly. You can actually pat dry with a towel if you like. I just squeezed it, and then I was sure it was no more dripping water. Kept it on my mannequin head to now air dry. So yeah, you can use heat if you want, but I didn't want to use blow dryer on it when I know I don't have any pressing irons. So this is days after. Like, it took me a while to come back to completing this video. I left it there, and then this is what it's looking like right now. I don't have any pressing iron, curling iron, but if you have, make sure you go in with it because it will give it more body, more shine, more movement. So I had hot comb. I used my hot comb to lay the closure part to make sure everything is flat. Even though it was already flat, I just wanted to be extra and make sure everything is laid. I didn't want to use the hot comb to go through the hair because this hair is not bone straight and it has layers, so it won't look good straight. I really wish I had coiling iron. The hair was really giving. It was shining, it was soft, it had movement. I was so happy, I was so glad because wow, this has been stiff for quite a while. Please make sure to like this video, subscribe, and hit that bell notification bell beside the subscribe button. I love you. Thanks for watching my video. See you in the next one. Also check out my IG. Let's be friends. Yeah, bye. Yeah, I have an outro for you guys. Bye. By the time I now press it, hey, by the time I now press it, it will be given. Hey. I don't know why. I've noticed when I'm talking and I listen to my video, it's as if I'm not the one saying that thing. Like my mouth is just one place and then you hear a lot of things. Finally, wow, that's awkward.